Here's Dora. Hi, Dora. Come here. I brought him down some popcorn, but they don't, those guys want it. Dora wants something else. And there's the new one. Her name was Valerie, but now I call her Rosie. And she hasn't quite been friendly enough yet to come up to me. She's taken over Dora, like herding her around. So that left Della over there by herself. And she's out on the electric netting now, and she's really good with it. Was on electric wire before, just straight wire. But now she's fine with the netting. So I have all the gates open. You guys fighting over the... There you go, going up to get the popcorn that's up there. Strange how that sheep, Della, will eat the popcorn. But Dora and Rosie do not want anything. Last night I brought them down some leftover corn on the cob and the husk from the corn on the cob, and they really like those. Guess they just want the grass. And that goat up there is Amelia. Yay! Looks like it's gonna rain today. Feels like rain. You guys fighting? Billy? Billy is a big bossy goat. Feels like a fall breeze right now. You guys are supposed to be chewing down all that brush, and you're not doing that. Oh, goodness. Hey, Rosie. Rosie, Rosie. Hi, girl. Hi, Rosie. You two are best buds now, aren't ya? Can't wait to see what their babies will look like after I get them bred. Rosie's last babies were twins, and they were both black. So she will have, I'm breeding her with a Finn ram. So it'll be Finn and Romney cross. So it should be really beautiful fiber. Rosie, come here, Rosie. Rosie, Rosie, come here. Oh, I wish you were friendly. She loves her grass. They had her penned up for, I think, 2 days in the barn so that they didn't have to chase her around to catch her. So she really is enjoying this field, getting out, eating all the grass. You guys gonna come down here? Come on. Coming down here? Come on. Come on. Shake this empty bag, they'll come running. Come on, Dora. Billy's like, I'll fall for that empty bag trick. I'll fall for the empty bag trick. I thought you guys are supposed to be smart. Come on, look at this. We got your water out here. It's all fenced in, and you guys, oh, there's a branch on the fence. I'll have to get that off. But I checked the fence charge yesterday, and it's at 7,000 on the top of the voltage. So it's pretty zappy. But they don't want to come down into the woods. Oh well. You get this branch off the fence. I just don't need any trees or anything coming down on it. Whoop. There we go. You see this? Look at that big tree. Kevin Durgan cut this tree down for us a few years ago. And there it is. And it's so overgrown with all the other shrub trees. It's probably where all the wild rabbits are living. Hi, Dora. Oh, hi, pretty girl. Dora. So many projects to do. I'm going to put in some windows in the barn. I got to get some hay up there too. It's nice right now. It's been dry, so you can actually drive down here and it's not all mucky, muddy, and you can actually get down here with the truck and we can get some hay up in the barn. Hey, girls. Hey, pretty girls. I'm down here in my pajamas. Just had my coffee. I don't know why this camera doesn't turn around. It's weird. Got to get a better camera, I guess. All right, I'll let you go. Happy Sunday morning. Just wanted to share the sheep.